Did your goggles come off? Are those your driving goggles?
No.
Do you drive better when you wear those? You having trouble? Whoops, you hit your head. Silly.
No. Also, my out. Please. Please.
Can I have Tootie now?
No.
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Oh, you're too fast for Mom. You're too fast for Mom. Where are you going?
No.
You can't come out that side because Mom's got those trunks there. Where are you going? Oops, you crashed into the high chair. All right. Where are you going? You parking? Good idea. Good idea. Park the car. Where are you going now? Is that your tractor? You gonna play with your tractor?
Fine. Fine.
What's that?
Fine. Fine.
Where's your guys? They're in there. They're in there. Oh, you got Mater. Got Mater. Shake 'em.